now we can finally start turning it up. Oh, that's why I'm having issues. Okay.
But unfortunately, the fuel pump just can't keep up with the flow. As you can see, we're leaning out up top.
Vader killed it. He did a great build.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. But yes, it is a few days later since we got the motor build done by Bader Builds, and it's time to get the car tuned on the dyno. We are only on a base map right now. It doesn't run very well, so I kind of putted it here down to Portland, which is about a 3-hour drive. So now keep in mind, we're gonna get the car on the dyno, but please don't expect a whole bunch of power. I am limited by fuel. Unfortunately, the double pumper by Radium is out of stock. Unfortunately, I can't get that as of yet. But once that is available to order, I'll go ahead and order that. So I am on a single AEM 340 and 1300cc injector, so that's going to limit power. So hopefully we'll be around the 400-ish range until we get the fuel system all set up and installed in the car. And then we'll come back to the dyno. Hopefully we'll make 500 after we get the fuel system all sorted out. But Steve's over there. He's got a car on the dyno right now. And then once that's done, we'll get my car on the dyno, and then we'll go from there, and we'll update you as we go. Also, keep in mind, it is about 95 degrees outside, so that's going to limit the power that you see on the dyno. But, you know, as long as we make some power and the car is tuned, then that's what is important.
Yeah, it's ready to go. You gonna load it up, or are you gonna hang out?
Just a little test drive.
All right.
I know what that means.
Go like back there is fine, but just stay off this side street.
This is the station on the highway, right?
Yeah. All right. Let me know what you think. Yep. It's on. You might want to switch the map. It's on the low boost map right now.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. I put two in there, a low and a high, because you wanted one for road course, so it's a little more reliable.
Yeah, I need one of those.
Honestly, it's not really the reliable, it's the drivable. Because on a road course, like 600 is not usable.
No.
You think the lower one, what, 400 put down or what?
The lower one is like low 400s.
Okay.
It's like 450, I think, in there for low boost.
All right, so here it is, 550 wheel horsepower on E85. First reaction, bro. So check this out. We're gonna do this. Damn, you can really feel it pull.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. You feel that torque, man.
Right?
Hell yeah. Huh? So there it goes, guys. 550 wheel horsepower. I know you guys can't feel it on camera, but damn, I'm telling you, it feels nice. Ooh, one day. Thanks for the ride, bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Steve, what'd you do, man? It's too much power. I'm just lying.
It's your turn to make some power.
We will see.
Let's see if you can make as much as this one.
Yeah, Steve, we better break 300 wheel horsepower, man.
Break 300? Yeah. All right, well, we got yours loaded on the dyno.
Yeah.
It was a royal pain.
Oh, really?
We had to use a lot of wood, and I wanted to do it before you got here so you wouldn't see us damaging.
All right, it sounds good, man.
But we didn't damage anything.
All
We
right.
didn't scratch nothing, I promise.
It's all good.
So we got it on the dyno though, and now we just got to strap it down. It's got a little diffuser here, so I'm a little worried, but
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
yeah, we'll see. I might have to get creative on the rear straps on this thing. So,
My bad, Steve. Forgot about that one.
well,
Yeah, I should have thought about that.
yeah, present challenges, and I got to come up with solutions. So here we go.
That's right. All right, so car is now strapped on the dyno. Unfortunately, we had a small issue with the diffuser. It was just hanging a little too low, a little too close to the rollers. So I went and took that off. Real easy. It only took about 5 or 10 minutes or so. So Steve's gonna do the magic sauce, do all the preliminary stuff, all the stuff that you probably don't want to see right now. Once we get later on into the actual tune process, we'll get Steve to do some commentary while he's in the car tuning it. so far, man?
Everything's going really well. Just basically getting a feel for all the components, seeing what the car likes and responds to so that I can start turning it up, making sure all the systems are working correctly. So everything's working perfectly, no issues. So now we can finally start turning it up and making some good numbers. So on the computer, can you leave that door open for the box? Can you unplug the mass airflow sensor and just leave it disconnected?
All right. What's that?
Do you not have an intake temp sensor in your front mount?
Not yet. I didn't get a chance to get the bung welded.
Oh, that's why I'm having issues. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Since you don't have that sensor, leave it plugged in. Then I'm going to have to use the intake reading off of that.
Okay. Oh, we got issues.
So the boost is not working properly. It's not coming up on boost like I'm asking it to.
Oh, really?
So I'm checking boost control solenoid.
Popped one.
I thought you were talking all the crap that this wasn't going to happen.
Nope, I sure was.
Oh, man, come on. Too much power.
Uh-oh, something's wrong. All right, we're good. Freaking loud. He revved it up way high this time. He revved it out. We'll see, I think he went to what, 7,500? Yeah, 7,500. AFR is looking better. Oh, shoot. So the fuel pump's maxed out, the injectors are maxed out. As you can see, if I could show you the graph later on, everything's just leaning out up top. So right now, Steve's just making sure everything is safe for the track when I go to the track on Tuesday. So right now, and it's nothing against Steve, he can only work with the hardware that is provided to him. So it's not the tune, it's the hardware that is actually installed in the car, as we were talking about fuel pump and injectors. So as long as the tune is safe, that will be good for now until we can get the radiant fuel pumps once they're back in stock, and we'll be back for even more power. So look about, this is a 500 wheel setup. Also, we're only at 7,000 RPM. This car can rev to about 8 grand. So right now everything is just being kept safe for now until we get the provided hardware that we need to make the power, and then we'll go from there. So as I predicted, and what Josh predicted, Steve predicted the same thing too, that we're just running out of fuel. So the motor, the turbo, everything is just demanding more fuel, but unfortunately the fuel pump just can't keep up with the flow. As you can see, we're leaning out up top. A lot more room to grow here, but I just need a fuel system just to make more power. So it is what it is. All right, guys, so there it is. You guys saw the numbers. Once again, big thanks to Steve. Steve is the man when it comes to this kind of stuff. So, I mean, I really appreciate his honesty telling me how it is. And yeah, I just need some upgrades, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, I definitely want to get you some more power. We're not going to leave you here. You give me a fuel system I can work with, and we're going to get you some good numbers.
Sounds good. Hopefully we'll make over the fives, maybe.
Yeah, you'll get probably 550 out of it, in my opinion.
Sounds good.
The motor's solid. Bader killed it. He did a great build. You know, I can always tell when I'm tuning a car if the engine's built properly and it's working and it's happy. And this car didn't pull timing at all, not once. Didn't have any issues with timing being pulled. It made great numbers with very conservative boost numbers and timing, which tells me the motor's perfect.
All right. So, guys, thanks for watching. We'll be back for 500 wheel horsepower. Steve, thanks.